So I've got a bunch of pallets here, EPAL, all with the HT symbol, HT, and got more pallets here. So I've been dismantling these, as you can see, and dismantled a load over here. So I'm making pallets, well, not pallets, planters like this. So I've got one here, this is ready, I just got to make holes at the bottom for drainage. Another one there, another one there, another one there, another one there. These are all on legs, and below that is got type 1 MOT or hardcore compacted with this thing here, compacting thing, manual one. And these are my previous raised beds, they're not very raised. So I'm trying to make this area separate to the rest of the garden. So I've got one here, need to put cloth underneath, another one here, this one here, it's already growing spinach, and you've got this one here, this one's got radish seeds in it, but I've got foxes digging it up every day. So I'm going to show you how I dismantle them. So I've got this. I've already broke the bottoms off. I'll do the last one on camera. Always wear gloves. Three planks, one is nailed, these have nails. Bang them out. So what I'm going to do, bang. And this is what I use. Now with these bits, they bang the screws in the other way, so it's hooking on. So it's going to be tough. You might have to lose this piece if you want to keep these. Same with here, look, they just bang the nails in. They don't have the smaller nails. So let's see how we get on with that. Battery is dead. Time for a new battery. And the blade broke. So these are 39 centimeters each. These are 8.5 and 9.5. 19, 19, 38, and this is 39. It's actually 39. Handy. I'm using 40 mil Fisher Power Fast 2 screws. You get 200 for about £5, which is well worth it. And measure from that end to there. It's 120.2. Now measure that end to there. Looks like I need to bring it out a mil. There we go. So once I put my second screw in, it's not going to move. planter. This side's going to go at the bottom, and what I'm going to do is line it with damp proof membrane, and jobs are good. I'm going to go and place it where I want it. Picked up this arbor arch, 30 quid, Facebook Marketplace. There's the one I just built now. There's the one I built the other day. After winter, come back to this. I don't know what this is. There's baggies. There's someone's cap. There's gloves. They're not ours. It's in the garden. I don't know what this white stuff is. There's two of them. There's more baggies here. There. Oh, I've got a potato growing there. Nice, that's from last year.